Welcome to A J Winski Jewellers, a fully independent jeweller based in the heart of Dunfermline. Whether you're looking for something traditional for the most important person in your life or a modern piece to add to your collection, our wide range of jewellery, costume pieces, watches and rings will ensure you're spoilt for choice. We stock a variety of famous and exclusive brands, and our knowledgeable team will be happy to explore these with you. At A J Winski, we know that choosing a piece of jewellery for yourself, a loved one, or for a special occasion is a process that should never be rushed or overwhelming, which is why we offer private appointments where you can delve into our stunning range of jewellery, earrings, watches, engagement and wedding rings at a pace that suits you. As well as our breathtaking range of jewellery, we also provide watch and jewellery repair services, ensuring your family heirlooms, favourite pieces, or accidentally broken items are restored with skill and expertise and left stunning for years to come. As an independent jeweller, A J Winski is proud to offer an unrivaled service from its central location in Dunfermline. Come and visit us today or book an appointment online.